Hey guys, what if I told you you could create applications without any coding experience and without any technical knowledge? You'd probably think I'm lying to you, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to build an app from scratch, and I'm going to take you over my shoulder so you can see exactly how I build apps with AI for our customers and for us. We won't write a single line of code. We'll use one of my favorite AI app building tools, Lovable, to build a landing page, a dashboard, backend functionality that people will pay for, and then update different pieces of the app so you can see exactly how I build applications with AI. By the end of this video, you'll have a framework to go away and build your own applications. I'll break down every step of the app building process, from landing page, authentication, dashboard, getting it live, and connecting it to a database so that all the hard work's done for you. All you need is a laptop and an idea. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and create a YouTube script generation tool. We do a lot of YouTube at the moment to generate marketing materials, leads, etc. So I'm going to create a tool around that to make our lives easier, because we have a lot of manual processes around title generation, script generation, and then reviewing the different YouTube videos we've done. So I'm going to give Lovable a prompt. So I've given it a simple prompt: create an application to help YouTubers grow their channel, base the design on YouTube's design, create a landing page with a video demo at the top, highlight that we help grow their channel. Our main three features are: we use AI to help with script generation, we help find trending topics, and we use analytics to help them grow. So we'll give Lovable that. It'll take a couple of minutes to create that landing page. So you can see it here working on the left-hand side. Let's see what it comes up with. So here we go. It's loading the page at the top here. Here we can see True Grow AI. So we got the video demo, nice. Use the same font and colors. Really like this. You got little animations on the buttons, which is nice when you hover over them. If we click on features, it takes us down to our features section. So it's highlighted our three features. Again, some nice animations as you scroll over it. Why choose True Grow AI? Built for modern creators. So it's added some sales copy for us there. Nice light background, quite simple. We can add to this reviews once we start selling it. So that's a great first starting place. You can go ahead and edit elements. This is pretty good as it is. So we can say black font here to make something stick out. But overall, this design is very good. I don't need any more than this for right now. What we'd do once we have the app up and running is we'd install some applications that monitor how people land. What we'd do once we have the website up and running is we'd install some applications to track user behavior when they land on this page, so we can see what they're interacting with, which sections aren't working well, and we'd change those around to increase the conversions. But right now, this is a great landing page, and that took me all of like 2 minutes. You can see they've changed the font to black, so you can edit, just change this as well to make it consistent. Just makes it pop a little bit more there. We could then record a demo here on the right hand side as well. Okay, so I'm going to give it its next prompt. Create a dashboard with left hand navigation, have projects, trending, and analytics menu items. Okay, so I've given it the next prompt, which is the dashboards, the guts, the system. We're going to create a projects index and a projects create page. That'll be the goal for today: be able to create new projects using AI, save those projects, have authentication for the users so they can log in and retrieve their projects, update their projects, and use AI to create the scripts and the titles so that it's valuable to the user. See how that floats up and down? Nice to have these little animations. It makes a big impact on users landing on these pages. Let's create a left-hand navigation with project, trending, analytics, menu items, project page with a grid layout, 3 per row, showing project cards with status, views, and creation date. Create new project button that navigates to a new page. Title input field, AI suggest, scrollable list. So it's met all the requirements I gave it. Okay, so here we go. Here's the dashboard. Straight away, I don't like the red on these navigation items. So okay, so if we go to create, there you go, and it's updated that. Nice. That looks a lot better. So AI app ideas, let's see what happens here. AI suggest. Nice. So if we click this, yep, sets that as well. So you can create loads of different titles. Click it again. It didn't update though, so we need to fix that. Trending is just added some dummy data. Analytics the same as well. But I want to add more stuff here. So what's in the input? So we're going to add some AI into this by sending off the text to ChatGPT's API so that we can get better suggestions back. Right now it's just giving us dummy data. I guess it's got a list of 10 or 20 in the code that it's just supplying as dummy data. So now you'll have built a full application using AI that implements AI within about 10 minutes. So you're going to need to go over to OpenAI and create an API key on the API platform. API keys. So we have our API key now. Save that key. So we can see it's added the video script section here with generate script. I would edit that as well. So you can go over here, edit, that button should be black. So when you edit it, it actually looks black. Let's turn that off. You see it's gray here. Maybe because it's waiting for a title. Ideas, yeah. So it's turned black now, that's nice. So it disables the button. That's quite intuitive, that's quite impressive. It disables the button before you've put an input in the title ideas. So you've got validation there so that somebody can't generate a script without there being a title. Now we're getting much better results. AI app idea, what if this AI app existed? Let's generate a script based on that. What if you had an app that could plan your whole day, make you more productive and solve your biggest daily problems before you even asked? Yeah, see, so it's cutting up this script into different sections. It's giving recommendations on animations, graphics. It's created a proper script, conclusion, and an outro. So quite intelligent. That's a decent starting place to help people to be able to create scripts. Next thing is when we want to save this, we want to save it to a database so that we can recall it later, edit it, and the user has access to all their projects. So you want to go up here and connect Superbase. Give your database name, create a password. Then we go back here, connect that up. Now we've got a database. So let's add authentication first. Add authentication. So let's add authentication first. Now we've got the database up and running. This will add sign in, sign out, and user-based tables so that we can store stuff to the user. Okay, so it's added the sign in and sign up functionality. Let's go ahead and test that. Sign up. There we go. So login's working. So now you've got a fully built app, implements AI, creates scripts, titles, valuable to YouTube users, all your authentications added in there. It's got back-end database set up as well. So to go from here, you just add additional features, start marketing the product. You can get a product out there within about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And this is now available to everyone. So if you know what you're doing, you can build a business. Any other questions, put them in the chat below, and I'll answer them as fast as possible. All right, cheers guys.